Mnet.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Cumberland County, Dauphin County.
Until 10:32 p.m.
Lower Allen, Hershey, Colonial Park, Progress, Mechanicsburg, Middletown, Camp Hill, Palmyra, New Cumberland, Winglestown, Enola, Steelton, Anvil, Lemoyne, Hummelstown, Cornwall, Myerstown, and Paxtonia. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 233 to 266, Interstate 78 from mile markers 0 to 8, Interstate 81 from mile markers 59 to 96, Interstate 83 from mile markers 31 to 50, Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 2.
Cut off.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland, Dauphin, Lebanon, and York.
Or maybe not.